get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning, everyone. It's July 2nd. We believe it's a Wednesday. I hope I have the GoPro set up right this time, because our last video, the audio didn't come out right because I had the wrong settings. So hopefully this works better. Go for a little ride to test it, see what happens from there. So stay tuned and come along with us for the ride. A pretty view coming down the hill. We're on 861, a few miles out of town. And it is a nice day. Maybe I'll take this road. Stay tuned. It's a squiggly road. Beautiful. Old barns. Beautiful country. What are you going to see out here? Bump, bump. A curvy road going downhill. Whee! I hope I have the camera set right. This is a test run. I'm still having trouble connecting the remote to the GoPro for some reason. It connects and it doesn't connect. Okay, which way you want to go? I think we're in Knox.
Yeah.
You don't know which way you want to go. We don't want to go to Butler. We'll go straight. See where it takes us. We'll go straight. No, straight's a dead end.
It's only a fire hydrant.
Yep. Oh, this is a dead end too.
I guess we go Emlington. Fuck off.
We're on 322 heading towards Franklin. We're still heading northwest. If we keep going this way, we'll end up in Ohio.
Again.
It's still a beautiful. I got 80 degrees on the bike, but it doesn't feel like it. I guess the humidity is down. Bigfoot. Remember to share, like, hit the bell, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. And,
Go ahead.
and thanks for following us. And all those that have subscribed, we appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We're always looking for new places to go. Within reason.
No, I'd like to travel, but everything's 3 hours away.
Yep. Everything we want from where we are. Like the Pennsylvania Grand Canyon is over 3 hours away. Stuff like that.
And Pittsburgh has some cool places, but it's a mess to get to.
Yeah. We was looking at that. Some overlooks. And we have to go right through the city. Oh.
I mean, we can handle that, but I don't think Bob and Amy could do that on their bikes. Probably stop, go, stop, go, stop, go.
Right.
We'll hit it one day.
Absolutely.
Maybe in red.
Absolutely. We're in Franklin. Looks like at the junction of 8 and 62. Oh, good. Well, we could have gone that way, but there are all kinds of different routes we can take. So. This is Franklin. 10 a.m. Ooh. Nice, cute town, I would say. We're on Route 308 in Clinton. I think that's where we are. Oh, now we're going to Bullion. We're heading south. It's a pretty good road. Not squiggly, it's more straight. We're in Slippery Rock, PA. Cute little town. Nope, that's not good. There was a contestant on Hell's Kitchen from Slippery Rock. Now we know where it is.
Yep.
We can say we've been through Slippery Rock. We're on Route 138. We just came off Route 308, I think. We're working our way home. About an hour to go. enjoying the scenery. It's got some beautiful scenery. I don't know if you can catch it on that way. We got hay. Look at that. Woo. That'd be nice. This is on 138. I think we're in Washington Township. Close to it. Nice. Isn't that beautiful? I think it is. We got pond and everything. Oh.
In 1.5 miles, east
Beautiful.
to Sterling Road.
Whee! You go too fast, you'll end up in the pasture. Queenstown Road in Perry, PA. And it's a nice, it got some good turns. A little bumpy, but that's okay. We're in East Brady, and we're crossing the Allegheny River. Coming to East Brady.
Turn right at the stop sign.
Yeah. We don't have to stop. All right, this is East Brady.
In one.
This is a beautiful view. We're at 861. We're heading home. Almost where we first started. Yep. Girlsville Road. There's where we turned when we first started. Almost home. About 8-9 minutes. So thanks for coming along with us on our little journey exploring Western PA. It was a beautiful day, so you have to take advantage of it. And don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that bell, hit the thumbs up, and leave us a comment. Home, sweet home. Well, again, thanks for coming along with us, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Oof.